Two sides of a rhombus ABCD are parallel to lines y equals to x plus 2 and y equals to 7x plus 3. If the diagonals of the rhombus intersect at point 1, 2 and the vertex A is on the y-axis, then the possible coordinates of A are. So we have been given a rhombus ABCD and we have been told that AB and BC, two sides of a rhombus, are parallel to the lines y equals to x plus 2 and y equals to 7x plus 3. That is giving us that slope of AB is 1 and slope of BC is 7. Can we find out the slope of BD? Because we know in rhombus diagonal is the angular bisector. So angle at B is divided into two equal parts by the diagonal BD. Now if we are able to find out what is the slope of BD, then we know slope of AC will be minus 1 by m. If slope of BD is m, then slope of AC is minus 1 by m. But that we can equate to whatever the points we have, that is 0, y1, where we have to find out the y1. And we know the midpoint of the diagonal is 1, 2. So by using the equation that slope equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 formula, we can find out the value of y1. Now how to find out the slope of BDM? For that we will say that the angle ABD is equal to angle CBD. Angle ABD equals to angle CBD. And to find out the angle between these two lines, we'll be using the formula tan theta equals to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. And we know angle ABD is equal to angle CBD. We know slope of AB is 1 and we know slope of BC is 7. Let us say the slope of BD is m. Now we will substitute in the formula and equate these two angles. We will have 1 minus m divided by 1 plus m equals to m minus 7 divided by 1 plus 7m. We can do cross multiplication and we can simplify for the m value. So 7m plus 1 into 1 minus m is equal to m minus 7 into m plus 1. Simplifying that, we'll have minus 7m square plus 1 minus m equals to m square minus 6m minus 7. Simplifying, 8m square minus 12m minus 8 equals to 0. We can divide by 4 and we can get 2m square minus 3m minus 2 equals to 0. Splitting the middle terms, minus 4 plus 1, 2m square minus 4m plus m minus 2 equals to 0. We can write it as 2m plus 1 into m minus 2. So that gives us the slope of BD is either equal to 2 or equals to minus 1 by 2. Slope of BD is equal to 2 or equals to minus 1 by 2. So we have two scenarios. We'll consider both the scenarios and first let us say the slope of BD is 2. Then what will be slope of AC? Minus 1 by 2. But what is the formula for slope? Difference of y coordinates divided by difference of x coordinates. So can I write down y1 minus 2 by 0 minus 1? That will give me y1 equals to 2 plus 1 by 2, that is 5 by 2. So the point A coordinates are 0, 5 by 2. Let us consider the other scenario where the slope is minus 1 by 2. So m of BD is minus 1 by 2. That will give us m of AC is 2. If m of AC is 2, then 2 equals to y1 minus 2 divided by minus 1. Simplifying, we'll get y1 equals to 0. So the other option we can have for A is 0 comma 0, since we know that A is a point on y-axis. So the correct options are A and B.